Hi YouTube viewers, welcome to Codemaster Lab. In this video, we are going to see how they can place the details. So once they log in, they need to have their shop name or the business name. Then they can select the location from the drop down. They can select the city as well and as well zip code. So these are the three unique features with which they can get the nearest event details. Next, they can mention the timings, the Facebook pages for the promotion like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. Then they need to select the category, in which category they are specialized, so that the user when comes on our website, based on the category, based on the location, they will be suggested. So business logo. So what we will do is we will just upload a logo what we have and give a short description of your business. Once it is done, click on save. That's it. You just refresh the page, you can see all the details which you have entered with the logo, state and everything. Now comes for business description. This is a long business description. If you want to add many things, so you can do it here as well. Okay, so this is a sample text which I am taking. You can keep headings as well. You can have the bullet points, you can have numbering, everything you can do it. Okay, once you write the format, write everything, you can just save the details. The details will be saved successfully. In our next videos, we will see on services, photos, FAQs. One by one, we'll go further. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned to our next video. Have a nice day.